Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna write a program which will find a factorial of an integer. It's one of those Java programming interview questions that might appear in your interview. So first of all, let's create a class. Let's call it Factorial. Let's call it Factorial. Let's get public stated void string initiated. Okay, so factorial of integer. Factorial of integer is it's the best way to show is by showing this formula. Fn equals f1 times f2 till it goes till the last variable n. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use if statement. If n equals 1, then we can return 1. Else return n times factorial. Factorial will be our method. I'm doing a little bit differently now. I will put the basic code inside of main, and then I'll show you how to create with few simple steps a method from the code. So right now we'll do factorial. Basically it will call itself n-1 and semicolon. Okay, so for this code we will create a method. We just right click on the code and then we'll do as follows. I don't see source. Well, here we go. So you go to source, you go to override implement methods. In this should create a method. No, that's weird. Okay, let's do one more time. So correct format. Maybe refactor. How about refactor? Extract method. Here we go. So it was my fault. It was not source, but it's refactor. And you extract method. So we'll have private method. Let's call it factorial. It's factorial. And let's do it. Changed. Okay. So it didn't do correctly. Let's see if we can. It should place entire code inside of the method. Right click. refactor extract method. Factorial private. Okay. We don't need to return. Okay, so it did correctly, except we don't need to return. So it created it entire code here. The Eclipse create this private static void factorial and put inside of it. This is my if statement, return 1, else statement, return this statement here. So everything looks good, except now we need to output system. Okay, and we'll place it here. Click, click, click. This is not void. Okay, so I wanted to save time, but looks like I didn't save any time. I added more work. Can we do that? Integer. Okay, no, let's do this. Let's use static long factorial. Let's pass it value of n, long n. Okay, now we don't have those annoying red lines under the code. And then let's pass it a number. How about let's do it 5. Okay, looks like after working in loops we might have something here. Right click on void main, run as Java application, and we have 1, 2, and 0, which is probably correct. Let's do 2. 2 is much easier to calculate. 2. So is, yeah, that's correct. 3, 6. Yeah, that's correct. So that is small code, which took us an acceptably long time to finish. Thank you. Have a good day.